May the force be with you. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be opening Hot Wheels. But instead of just normal Hot Wheels like motorcycles or something, we're going to be opening Star Wars. The first one we're going to be opening is the fighter and the Millennium Falcon. These is you attach it on like this, and you put it on your finger and just like that. At least that's how I think. The next, so what I like about these is it's not just like a normal Hot Wheel where you put your fingers on it. You put your finger through and hold it like this and, you know, play with it. And I like all the details that they put on it. And like if the stuff comes out of the back. And what I like about this one is that it's the same at the bottom, and I like the details on the wings and the window right there. The next ones we're going to be opening is the AT-AT and the Snow Speeder. I hope this isn't like the last one. Something came out already. Okay, I guess you can't do that. No. You know what? Let's just go for the easier one first. So what I like about this one is that it's like, it's an AT, and it's not like a spaceship that you just put on the fingers. You just move the legs and it moves. And I like the shooter things on the head, and you can kind of see in there. Oh wait, no, that's just power thing. And what I like about this one is but it's, wait, what was it? Never mind. That the detail and it's orange, and same as these ones, the bottom piece. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and turn on the post notifications and subscribe. Bye!